Hello everyone. This PowerPoint is going to talk about our first exam, which is due this week. So in this video, first I'm going to talk about how the exams for this class work. Then we're going to look at a sample question. And as always, if you have any questions about the exam, please do not hesitate to contact me. So, exams in my class work like this. There's going to be 8 questions that are divided into 2 groups. So one group is going to cover proofs for the existence of God, and the other group is going to cover questions from the ethics section of the class. And you will need to answer 4 of those 8 questions. So 2 from each of the groups of 4. The exam's going to be timed for 75 minutes, so you have a little over 15 minutes per question, and it's going to use the quiz function in Canvas. I'm going to post the exam on Wednesday, and you'll have until Sunday at midnight to complete it. So here's an example of the type of question that I'm going to ask on the exam. So, William Paley is responsible for the argument from design. In my video, I gave 2 different versions of the argument from design. Give one of the 2 versions of the argument. Do you find this argument convincing? If so, why? If not, why not? So, what I want you to do in the questions for this exam is to first give the argument. So in this case, give Paley's argument from design, and then when I ask you if you agree, and if so, why, and if not, why not, what I want you to do is then write another paragraph explaining why it is that you find the argument convincing or why it is you don't. Right? So remember, this is a philosophy class, and it isn't simply good enough to say, no, I don't find the argument convincing. You need to spend some time expanding on why it's convincing. A great thing you can do here is, if you don't find it convincing, you can present an objection to the argument. Or if you do find it convincing, you could present an objection and then explain why that objection doesn't work. Those are all great things to do on philosophy exams like this. And as always, if you have any questions about how this exam is going to work, please feel free to reach out to me.